Hi, I'm Carol from Designer Stencils, and today I brought in my bestie. Yes, we've known each other since what? Sixth grade?
Sixth grade.
Oh my goodness.
I'm not counting how far that was.
This is Beth.
Okay.
And she is like the supreme cookie baker.
And eater.
And eater, that's right. I know. You love to do it with your nephews.
Exactly.
It's your fun thing to do.
Thing.
However, today I brought her over here because I'm going to teach her how to decorate the tops of pies because we've got Thanksgiving
Pie
coming
time.
up. I know. And this, you can actually do this with your sugar cookies.
Yeah, we can.
You can. So we're going to show you in this first video a simple, easy way to decorate your pie tops. You can even do it with a 3-year-old. So you can do it.
Yeah. Thank goodness. Very simple.
Very simple. You're going to impress all of your family and friends at Thanksgiving with this simple little last minute thing that you can do before you bake your pie.
And everyone will say, "You're so creative."
That's
and
right.
then you say, "No, yeah, I am.
Yes, you are.
And
I
you
know.
think to yourself, I can use a brush and I can lay the thing down flat. I can. Yes, I'm so creative. Yes,
Exactly.
I am. Just
You
call
can
me
do it.
Martha Stewart.
There you go. So we're going to have you do that today. But the first simple one we're going to do is with cinnamon sugar.
Yes.
How easy is that?
Everybody likes cinnamon.
So we have our pie crust. This is for the top of our pie. Let's move it around here so that we have a nice smooth surface.
And it needs to be flat, I'm assuming.
Yes, and we have our stencil. It works best if you have a stencil that has larger openings, but you can do it with finer ones. It's just, you would want to work with your consistency of cinnamon versus sugar. Think of your sugar, or use a real fine sugar.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So that it'll go through the openings.
Gotcha.
So,
because if you had smaller openings, you have larger
granules of sugar,
Gotcha.
and it doesn't really show the pattern as much.
Makes sense.
All right, so grab your cinnamon.
Okay.
And we have our cinnamon here and some sugar. And we are going to mix it together here. Yes, go ahead and put a little in there.
Do you have a preference of how much to how much?
Why don't we go ahead and put 2 teaspoons of sugar in. And then we're gonna add our cinnamon. And we wanna make sure we get a good color with this. You could do it with straight cinnamon, but it's not going to caramelize as much, and it might affect the taste of your pie too.
And cinnamon straight by itself smells great, but straight by itself
doesn't
tastes
smell at all.
So
yeah.
All right. But I also know from my snickerdoodle baking that you can, well, you want more cinnamon, and if you put too much in, not so good.
Now let's show the color of this one. And
it's not quite
it has too much sugar still, so we're going to put some more cinnamon in there because we really want this to show the pattern.
Exactly.
All right, so now I'm going to show you. It's just this easy.
All right.
You're going to be taking your cinnamon sugar mixture, pour some on top of your stencil.
Oh, I don't even have to
No.
Gently pour.
Yes.
And it helps if you're left-handed. No, it really doesn't, but I like to tell people that.
All right, so just sprinkle some over the openings, and then you're going to be using your fingers and try not to get outside of the stencil.
Oh, okay.
But that's okay
like
if you do.
I did on some of the other ones.
Well, it all depends on what size of a circle you have with your stencil. Like sometimes I really like to use the circle to cut the pattern if
you don't
I
want to
need
be
it
outside
to.
the stencil itself out here.
Because then it's going to be showing in color.
That would kind of
all right, so that's good.
make
what
a
you got there.
difference.
Now you're going to take your finger or the palm of your hand and just gently, you're going to be rubbing it in. So we're going to be going like this. Just kind of pushing that all into the pattern there. Now one thing that you could do, and we didn't do it with this one, is before we put the stencil down, I could have rubbed some Crisco on top of the stencil. And what that's going to do is it would help hold any of the granules when we lift it off from falling back into the pattern. So keep rubbing all the rest of that in. Grab that there, all that excess.
So yeah, get it as much in here as you can so that it doesn't go
Fall
off
through.
when we pick it up.
Gotcha. There we go.
Well, that would make
Looks pretty good. And so we'll just go back over just a tiny little bit, get all those in there. And now all you have to do is gently lift it off. There we go. See, now look at that pattern. And it's hard to really tell what it is right at this moment, but we're gonna take this and put it on top of our pie. And when it bakes, the pattern caramelizes and bakes into
Okay. Oh,
the
okay.
crust.
And the dough will expand a little bit too.
Exactly,
So the
around
pattern
it.
will be,
Exactly.
the breaks in the pattern will be a little bit
It'll
bigger.
open it up. Exactly. So now we
Sweet.
gotta bake a pie.
Now we have to make the pie.
All right, we'll
The
be
easy
back.
part's over.
That's right. All right, we'll be back when we're done.
My baby.
A project at this house wouldn't be complete without the two pups, Teddy and Cooper. Right, boys? You ready for some apple pie? Oh, you ready for some
Oh, that's
kisses?
some nice kisses.
Oh boy,
That's
you
some
guys
nice
love
kisses,
kisses.
Ted.
Oh boy. All right. Well, enjoy your holidays. And remember to give us a big thumbs up if you liked this video, and subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so that you can learn more projects that we have going on.
Have fun.